New York Rep. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez took aim at another one of President Donald Trump's efforts, this time his plan to improve healthcare options for the VA healthcare system in the form of something called the Mission Act, which was signed into law last year, Fox News reported. The president looks to solve systemic failures in the system that have led to neglect, oversight and in some cases, patients dying while waiting on care. All I can think of is that classic refrain that my parents always taught me growing up, is that, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, she said in New York, as part of her argument against privatizing aspects of the VA's work. That is the opening approach we have seen when it comes to privatization. It's the idea that this thing that isn't broken, this thing that provides some of the highest quality care to our veterans somehow needs to be fixed, optimized, tinkered with until we don't even recognize it anymore, she said, in comments first reported by the Washington Examiner. They are trying to fix the VA for pharmaceutical companies, they are trying to fix the VA for insurance corporations, and, ultimately they are trying to fix the VA for a for-profit healthcare industry that does not put people or veterans first, she said. And so we have a responsibility to protect it. Ocasio-Cortez's comments are in stark contrast to reports from those supporting the reform for an agency that went downhill during the Obama administration. Putting our veterans first means making sure they are at the center of any reform efforts. That is exactly what the administration did with the VA Mission Act, put the veteran ahead of the bureaucracy, Dan Caldwell, executive director of Concerned Veterans for America, told Fox News when asked about Ocasio-Cortez's comments. The VA is structured for a veteran population that has fundamentally changed from when it was built. Policy reforms should fundamentally change with the population and the times. When the resources follow the veteran wins. When resources go to prop up an aging and outdated bureaucracy, the veteran loses. It's not about fixing the VA, rather it is about making sure the focus of the VA is on the veteran, not itself, he said.